Raghu made and sold baskets for a living. He was all alone in the world, except for his old cow and a rabbit. Raghu was also growing old and weak, and he could not make as many baskets as he once could. But his earnings dropped, and they were living poorly. His sales deteriorated too, as the baskets were flimsy and not very firm. But Raghu was a very optimistic person. He took every day in his stride and tried to look at the positive aspects of things. He made the best of every situation and believed that every cloud has a silver lining. This attitude of his kept him cheerful and made him sleep peacefully in the nights. One day, the sales was particularly bad. Raghu was not able to sell even a single basket. There was no money at home, nor any groceries left. Raghu had been planning to buy rice and dal, hay and carrots for himself and his cow and rabbit once he had completed the day's sales. But since he did not sell any basket, he did not have a penny to buy anything. At the end of the day, a banana seller came along the path where Raghu was seated with his baskets. Raghu called out to him, "Do you need baskets? Please buy mine." The banana seller told him, "I do need baskets, but I cannot give any money for them. I can give you a hand of bananas for two of your baskets instead." Raghu agreed to the deal, and the banana seller handed over a hand of bananas wrapped in a huge banana leaf. Raghu went home happy that he did not have to return empty handed. He did not get money, but he and his animal friends had something to eat. He ate the bananas, fed the peels to his cow, and the leaf to the rabbit. As they ate their banana meal, Raghu smiled. You see, my friends, every cloud does have a silver lining.